Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to learn present simple tense. Guys, we will understand how to use present simple and when to use present simple. Firstly, when to use present simple. We use present simple to describe regular action or real or normal action. So what does it mean? When you have keywords like every day, sometimes, action that is repeating in the time, we use present simple to describe those actions. And also to tell a real thing or normal thing. For example, when I say a bird is flying, a bird fly, for example, a bird fly, it's not to say that the bird is flying, but to point out the ability of the bird to fly, because the bird have, wings in order to fly. Not to say that the bird is flying. So it's just to say something that is real or normal. Okay, so let's go now to conjugate it. How to conjugate the present simple. So gamma, focus on here. We have here the present simple. As you know, the rule: subject plus verb without the to. Subject plus verb without the to. But now how? Let's put details on it. When we have the subject I, we, you, they, we only plus the verb. Only the verb without the to. Okay, the main verb. But when we have the third person and subject, she, he, and it, we add the verb plus the s. We add verb plus s. Do you see? So let's go to the example in order to understand more. So an example 1, we have I to eat fufu. I to eat fufu. I to eat fufu. So the subject is what? I. We find I here plus verb. So we will say what? I eat fufu without the to. The to is delayed. We don't plus s2. I eat fufu. Simple like that. I eat fufu. Okay, example 2. You to live in Ajami. You to live in Ajami. You is not the third person. So we delete only the to and add only the verb. You live in Ajami. Simple. She, we notice that she is the third person. She to eat banana. So we will have what? She eats banana. Here is the main verb. We add s in order to conjugate it in the appropriate way. She eats banana. Do you see? So here, Musa to drink water. Musa to drink water. Musa can be changed by he. So Musa is the third person. So we will say what? Musa drinks water. Musa drinks water. You see, we can also say he drinks water. So what about this? When we have at the end of the verb I, the I will become what? Will become, and I say y, the y will become I, and we add es like that. So with an example you will understand more. She to try again. She to try again. What do we have here? Y at the end of the verb. So we will say what? She tries again. She tries again. So the y becomes what? I. Y becomes I here, and we add what? Es. Okay. Musa to dry. Musa to dry. At the end of verb, what we have what? Y. So the y will becomes what? I. So Musa dries. Musa dries. So another thing to add is that when you have at the end of the verb o, x, ss, and sh, ch, or z, add es at the end of the verb. I say add es at the end of the verb. So see an example. She to go. She to go. We have she. She is the third person. Okay. We will say what? She goes. Why? Because we have o at the end of the verb. She goes. She goes. Okay. Also here, she to finish. She to finish. We have what? sh at the end of the verb. So we will have what? She finishes. She finishes maybe his homework. Again, she to teach. She to teach. What do we have here at the end of the verb? ch. So we will say what? She teaches. She teaches. Maybe English. Maybe if I say I will say I teach, because I is not third person, so we will not add s or es
at the end of the verb. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you have understood this lesson. So any question you have, link, and I will try to answer or give detail about it. See you next time with another video.